offer healthy meal replacement shakes, energizing teas, protein iced coffee, and just about any drink that would benefit your body for a daily consumption of nutrients. I got the idea. I actually have another location in Madison, Wisconsin, and when we opened, it was during the pandemic, and a lot of doctors and nurses didn't have the energy because all the coffee shops closed, and we were an essential business and we were able to stay open. And once we started fueling our front line, we realized that what an impact it makes in the community to have one in my local hometown. We wanted to make a warm, inviting atmosphere for the community, somewhere where people can go and feel the energy, the happiness, and to make an impact